Imagine a taste of the tropics that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also invigorates your health. That's the promise held within each cup of Soursop Leaf Tea. Derived from the leaves of the soursop fruit tree, this beverage has been enjoyed for centuries in South America and Southeast Asia. Now it's capturing the attention of health enthusiasts worldwide. Soursop Leaf Tea boasts a unique earthy flavor that many find pleasantly refreshing. But beyond its taste lies a wealth of potential health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, this humble tea may hold the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's delve deeper into the remarkable ways Soursop Leaf Tea can enhance your well-being. From boosting immunity to promoting restful sleep, this tropical treasure offers a holistic approach to health and vitality. Antioxidants are your body's first line of defense against the damaging effects of free radicals. These are unstable molecules that can cause significant damage to your cells, leading to premature aging and a host of chronic diseases. Free radicals are produced naturally in the body, but their levels can be increased by external factors such as pollution, radiation, and unhealthy diets. Soursop Leaf Tea is brimming with powerful antioxidants, including flavonoids, tannins, and saponins. These compounds are known for their ability to neutralize free radicals, thereby protecting your cells from oxidative stress. These antioxidants act like scavengers, seeking out and neutralizing free radicals before they can cause harm. This process helps to maintain the integrity of your cells and supports overall health. By bolstering your antioxidant defenses, Soursop Leaf Tea can help fortify your immune system and reduce the risk of developing chronic illnesses. A strong immune system is essential for fighting off infections and maintaining overall health. A robust immune system is crucial for fighting off infections and maintaining overall health. The antioxidants in Soursop Leaf Tea may also possess antimicrobial properties, helping to ward off harmful bacteria and viruses. The antimicrobial properties of these antioxidants can provide an additional layer of protection, making it harder for pathogens to take hold and cause illness. Regular consumption of Soursop Leaf Tea can be a delicious and natural way to support your body's defenses and promote long-term health and well-being. Incorporating this tea into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective strategy for enhancing your overall health. Digestive issues can disrupt your daily life and impact your overall health. Soursop Leaf Tea offers a gentle and effective way to soothe digestive discomfort and promote a healthy gut. The tea's natural compounds may help to reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, alleviating symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Furthermore, Soursop Leaf Tea may possess antiparasitic properties, helping to eliminate harmful organisms that can reside in the gut and disrupt digestive balance. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals traveling to areas with a higher risk of parasitic infections. Regular bowel movements are essential for eliminating waste products and toxins from the body. Soursop Leaf Tea can act as a mild laxative, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. By supporting a healthy digestive system, Soursop Leaf Tea contributes to optimal nutrient absorption and overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world, getting a good night's sleep can often feel elusive. Many people find themselves tossing and turning, unable to drift off into a restful slumber. The pressures of daily life, combined with the constant bombardment of information and technology, can make it difficult to unwind and relax. If you're seeking a natural way to improve your sleep quality, look no further than Soursop Leaf Tea. This herbal remedy has been used for generations to help people achieve a more restful and rejuvenating sleep. This soothing beverage contains compounds that may help to calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. The gentle, calming effects of Soursop Leaf Tea can help ease the mind and prepare the body for a night of deep, restorative sleep. One of these compounds is tryptophan, an essential amino acid that plays a role in the production of serotonin and melatonin, two neurotransmitters crucial for regulating sleep-wake cycles. These natural chemicals help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. By increasing serotonin and melatonin levels, Soursop Leaf Tea may help to alleviate insomnia and promote deeper, more restful sleep. This can lead to waking up feeling more refreshed and ready to take on the day. The calming effects of Soursop Leaf Tea can extend beyond sleep. Regular consumption may also help to reduce anxiety and stress, further contributing to a sense of tranquility and well-being. It may also help to reduce anxiety and stress, further contributing to a sense of tranquility and well-being. Imagine starting your day with a calm mind and a relaxed body, ready to face any challenges that come your way. Incorporating a cup of Soursop Leaf Tea into your evening routine can be a relaxing ritual that sets the stage for a peaceful night's rest. This simple habit can make a significant difference in your overall sleep quality and well-being. Section 5. Taming Sugar Spikes. Diabetes Management. Diabetes affects millions of people worldwide, making it crucial to find effective ways to manage blood sugar levels. This chronic condition can lead to serious health complications if not properly managed, including heart disease, kidney failure, and nerve damage. Soursop leaf tea has shown promise as a natural adjunct to conventional diabetes treatment. This tropical plant, known for its unique flavor and potential health benefits, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Studies suggest that compounds in soursop leaves may help to improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to utilize glucose more effectively. Improved insulin sensitivity means that the body can better manage blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of complications. By regulating blood sugar levels, soursop leaf tea may help to prevent the dangerous spikes and crashes that can occur in individuals with diabetes. These fluctuations can be particularly harmful, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, dizziness, and even loss of consciousness. This can be particularly beneficial for managing type 2 diabetes, which is often linked to insulin resistance. Regular consumption of soursop leaf tea, combined with physical activities like jogging or yoga, can enhance overall well-being. It's important to note that soursop leaf tea should not be considered a replacement for prescribed diabetes medications. Always follow your healthcare provider's advice and continue taking your prescribed medications as directed. However, when incorporated into a holistic diabetes management plan that includes a healthy diet and regular exercise, soursop leaf tea may offer valuable support in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, along with consistent physical activity, is key to managing diabetes effectively. If you have diabetes, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before adding soursop leaf tea to your regimen. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that it complements your existing treatment plan without causing any adverse effects. Section 6. Ancient Wisdom, Modern Relief, Traditional Uses. For centuries, indigenous cultures have revered the soursop tree for its medicinal properties. In traditional medicine systems across South America and Southeast Asia, soursop leaves have been employed to address a wide range of ailments. Herbalists have traditionally used poultices of crushed soursop leaves to soothe skin conditions like eczema and boils. The leaves' antimicrobial properties are believed to help fight infections and promote healing. Soursop leaf tea has also been a staple in traditional medicine for its calming effects. It has been used to alleviate anxiety, insomnia, and even symptoms of depression. The long history of soursop leaf use in traditional medicine speaks to its potential as a valuable natural remedy for various health concerns. Section 7. Brewing Your Way to Wellness, Preparation and Consumption. Unlocking the health benefits of soursop leaf tea is as simple as brewing a cup. Dried soursop leaves are readily available online and at many health food stores. To prepare the tea, simply add a handful of dried leaves to a pot of boiling water. Reduce the heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. Strain the tea and enjoy it hot or cold. You can sweeten your tea with honey or a natural sweetener of your choice. For an extra flavor boost, consider adding a slice of lemon or ginger. Start with 1 cup of soursop leaf tea per day and gradually increase your intake as desired. Listen to your body and adjust your consumption accordingly. Section 8. A word of caution, potential side effects and considerations. While soursop leaf tea is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and contraindications. Some individuals may experience mild digestive discomfort, such as bloating or diarrhea, especially when consuming large amounts of the tea. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult with their healthcare providers before consuming soursop leaf tea, as its effects during these periods are not fully understood. Individuals taking blood pressure medications or blood thinners should also exercise caution, as soursop leaf tea may interact with these medications. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding any new herbal supplement to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Section 9. Embrace the power of Soursop Leaf Tea. From its potent antioxidant properties to its calming and digestive benefits, Soursop Leaf Tea offers a natural and holistic approach to enhancing well-being. This tropical treasure has been cherished for centuries for its medicinal properties, and modern science is beginning to unravel the secrets behind its healing potential. Whether you're seeking to boost your immunity, improve your sleep, or simply enjoy a delicious and healthy beverage, Soursop Leaf Tea is a versatile addition to any wellness routine. Embrace the power of Soursop Leaf Tea and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you.